In this video, I will show you how to fix if your PS5 mic is not working. So let's jump straight into it. So there's a few things you can do to resolve this problem. The first thing you're going to want to make sure is that your mic is not actually muted. So for example, as you can see for myself, I've got my headset here, which is a Turtle Beach headset, and on the cable there's actually a button. So there is actually a mute switch on this controller, and you want to make sure first that this is not muted, so you want to flick the switch to make sure it's not muted. If you're using the built-in mic on the PS5 controller, the mute button is at the bottom. There's a little button underneath the PlayStation Control Center button, so if it's muted it's going to be lit up orange like this, so you want to make sure that's turned off. So once you've done that, the next thing you're going to want to do is come into your console settings. So if you come up to the top right hand corner and you want to go to this gear icon and press onto this to come into your settings, then from here you want to come down and press onto sound. From here you want to come to the right and you want to make sure the input device is set correctly. So as you can see at the moment it's set to microphone on controller. But if I go and plug my headset into the controller, you can see this is now changed to controller headset. So you want to make sure from here that the microphone is set correctly. What you can also do is adjust the microphone level. So if you press onto this, and what you can do is change the microphone level for the controller headset. So you can do this at the bottom just by pressing X and then adjusting it. If it's too quiet, as you can see, the volume goes up and it gets more sensitive. So once you've done that, what you can do is come back to your home screen, and now what you want to do is just go ahead and press the PlayStation Control Center button on your controller. That's going to bring up a menu like this, and if you come down to the bottom and you want to come across to this little picture of a microphone here, press X onto this and make sure from here that the microphone is not muted. You can also adjust the mic level from here too, and you can check to see if it's working. And once that's done, the final thing you're going to want to do is again press the Control Center button on your controller, and then you want to come down and come across to Gain Base, which is just down here. Press X onto this, and then what you want to do is press the Options button on your controller, which is just up here, and then press X to go to Gain Base. Now from here you want to go all the way to the right to where it says Gain Base Settings, press X onto this, and then go and press X onto Voice Chat Settings. Again, from here you want to make sure the mute button is not on so that it doesn't mute your game voice chat, and again from here you can go ahead and check your microphone level by pressing onto here and changing the level to an appropriate level for your microphone. So that's some things you can try if your PS5 mic is not working. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.